kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. Today is a beautiful, nice, red, cold weather over here. This weather inspires me to cook something nice, tasty, spicy and fried recipe. So I thought why not I show you how to make chicken pakoras. So let me show you how to make very tasty chicken pakoras. So here I have taken a half a kilo chicken, and the chicken is with the bones, and I have taken them into tiny pieces, medium size. This size pieces will do. But if you don't like the chicken with bones, you can have a boneless chicken as well. Make sure that you use thigh fillets because they are going to taste much better. So for this chicken, I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and I'm going to add garlic ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoon, and I've got a pepper powder, 1 teaspoon here. I'm going to add pepper powder, and then I'm going to add rice flour, just a little bit of rice flour. To this I'm going to add chickpea flour, so you just add as you go along. So I'm adding around 3 teaspoons, and I'm using red chilli paste. You can use green chilli paste if you like. I'm just using red chilli paste for the color, and I'm adding fresh cut coriander and little bit of finely chopped red onion. So for this I'm going to mix it all up nicely. Make sure you mix it all with your hands because it gets mixed properly with the hands. So as I'm mixing, if I feel like I need to add more chickpea flour, I am going to add it as well. So I think this needs a little bit more chickpea flour, so I'll add a little bit more because it's a pakora, so we want a little bit of chickpea flour coated nicely. So the pan is on the stove, it's on, and the oil is really hot. So I'll start putting the chicken pieces in there. So have a look at the pieces, the way they've been coated. That's all you will be needing. So let me just drop one by one. Make sure the oil is very hot to start with. Then once I put all the pieces in there, I'm going to turn it into medium flame because I want the pieces to be cooked nice and firm inside and out. So as I said, I have going to turn the flame into the medium flame now because I want the pakoras and the chicken to be cooked nice inside as well. So have a look at the texture. This is the way it should be. So the chicken is all done. Have a look at it. So this is the consistency we want. This is more than enough. It's cooked to the perfection. So I'm going to just take these out. These pakoras are going to taste really yum with the mint chutney. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy mint chutney. So for mint chutney, I've got some green chillies there. I'm adding lots of green chillies up to your taste. Again, just be careful whatever spiciness you like, you can add according to that green chillies. I'm adding a black salt, so just a bit of black salt, and I'm adding sugar. I'm using brown sugar a little bit, and I'm adding cumin seeds. And let's add the mint and coriander. I'm adding coriander as well because coriander gives a nice flavor to it. So we're not adding any water. So let me cut some more. Just takes the stems out. So I have added mint and coriander. To this we are not adding any water, so I'm just adding a little bit of yogurt to this. So the yogurt will be the liquid for it to get grinded nicely. So let's just grind this now. Okay, so now let's grind it all. Let's look at the consistency. There you see, that's the mint chutney all ready to be served. So here it is, my friends, chicken pakoras, yummy, tasty, delicious with homemade mint chutney. They are going to taste really, really yum. I hope you all liked today's recipe. If you liked today's chicken pakora recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. See you soon.